least one thing, he didn't have to worry about the muzzle blast, I guess. Right? Jeez. My fingers almost that bad anymore. Certain frequencies are gone for me. Stripper clip and guides, the multi-tool, craftable stock. There's a winner of the hand you gave me.
I have it written down at home. The same list I have and stuff I still owe you.
So I just, I want to make sure I pay for that.
Eventually I'll get you everything you wanted.
Yeah. Right. I will keep this in hand, and if I'm short anything, keep me.
I got the number and information. I'll call that guy Monday or Tuesday.
Okay, cool.
And I will let you know what he's got on hand. If you buy everything, it is cheaper.
Yeah.
Not much though.
Well,
the nice thing about the guy is, just talk to him on the phone. Really cool guy. He throws it all in an envelope and express mails it, so it comes in like 3 days.
cool. Yeah.
I get. I don't know if you own any AK-47s or no.
No, I don't. I got an SKS on it. Wow. How did you get into that?